They're sleeping giants and they're waking up. Glaciers. Glaciers are huge masses of ice that slowly move, scrape, and carve out the land it slides upon. To give us a perspective, Greenland's ice sheet is 14 times the size of England, and is only a portion of the ice that will be completely melted in 2050. This is only relative to this ice sheet compared to the amount of Arctic ice that will be completely melted. Okay, here's a photo of the Columbia Glacier in Alaska. This photo was taken by James Bellog in 2009. The first red line to the left is where the glacier was in 2006. The last red line to the right is where the glacier was in 2009. It is retreated almost 2 miles. This is another image of the same glacier taken by James Bellog. That fine line between the two distinct grids is how tall the glacier used to be many years ago. Okay, now to Iceland. This is the Solomajacal Glacier in 2007. This is the glacier in 2009. Okay, let's say we failed at preserving our ice sheets. What would happen to us? Why should we care? I don't like the ice anyway. Well, if the ice melts, then much of our beloved beaches would become coral reefs. And this is what the United States would look like if all the ice melted. On top of that, habitats would be destroyed and many endangered animals would become extinct. So hopefully that has scared you into wanting to do something. Glaciers are melting because of the increasing temperature of the Earth. So the simple solution would be to use less energy. Try a challenge. Pick one day out of the week and try to use as little energy as you need. Instead of watching TV, go outside. Instead of taking a long hot shower, go to a hot tub that's already using energy. Instead of driving, ride a bike or walk, carpool. Test with your friends who can use the least amount of energy as possible. Maybe install a solar panel. Kara Ray says to drive as little as possible. Many urban areas have excellent public transportation services. By trying to use as little unneeded electricity as possible, the amount of emitting greenhouse gases into the air will slowly give us more time to figure out the solution of melting glaciers. The amount of ice loss from the West Antarctic sheet has accelerated, increasing by 70% in the past decade, says Wilkinson. So what? If glaciers melt, cities would be flooded by rising sea levels. Habitats and many species would be destroyed. Economies in towns like Juneau would cripple, and we would have an enormous amount of guilt if we let this happen. I'm Grayson Corbett, and thank you for your time.